Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I'm here to share a package that I purchased from Crafty Irene. She is moving, so she is selling some of her goodies that she's used for junk journals and things like that. I'll link her channel down below so you can go and check it out, but I wanted to share what she's selling, so you guys are aware of everything that I purchased. So let me take this down here because it's it's a medium-sized box. So she has medium-sized box and a large priority box. So I purchased the medium size. I can't push it over. Okay, I'm so excited. If you've followed Crafty Irene, you know she is an amazing crafter, and when she was crafting with her mom, I was always amazed. I was always simply amazed of her process and how she made things. So purchasing this was just awesome. Oh my gosh, look at all this stuff. Okay, so I got this bag here. She's giving me a brush. Oh, I love that. Thank you. There's another item in the bag. I love these pockets from Target. I love them. And then there's these pockets. They're more like they're labels, but they're wonderful. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love these spring clips. Oh my gosh. And then here is some, I think these are some embellishments from Recollections. Okay. Awesome. Oh my gosh, she got me more. Or she's given me another brush. I love these things. Finger protectors for when you're like hot gluing things. So, oh my gosh, thank you, Crafty Irene, thank you. And she gave me a glue and residue eraser. Oh, she got me not got me, but I purchased this stylus. Oh, I love these. I think I have a few. This is from Michael's back in the day. Oh my gosh, I love that crown. Okay. And here's another package I'm going to open. And then here are just some goodies. Ooh, I got another one. So she put that in there. So it was just a random box of goodies, guys. And for $40 for a medium, and I think it was $50 for a large, you get all her amazing goodies. Look at these. Oh my gosh. I've never had this before. I remember my parents using these back in the day. Oh my gosh. Okay, that. And then here are some message notes. Those are really cool to embellish. Oh, these are CD holders. Oh, how cool. They're all in different colors. How cool. I've never had those. Oh my gosh, thank you. And then here's a big doily. It's a 7.5 doily. Great for Valentine's Day. Oh, look, and she's giving me some of the gold jumbo paper clips. Awesome. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love this. Oh, I I love that stamp. I don't think I have that. From this day forward. Oh my gosh. These are Stampability stamps, and she said that she was giving these stamps out. Oh my gosh, I love them. Okay. Getting to the bottom of the box. I just wanna... Okay. So here are some envelopes and more envelopes and some really cool glassine bags. More glassine bags. Oh, look at this bag. Oh my gosh. These are so cool to stamp on. Oh my gosh. And I love these bags here. Remember these bags? Oh my gosh. Okay. And in here is just a bunch of junk journal goodies. Oh my gosh. Irene, I love these. Oh, I can't wait to start doing stuff. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at that. A guest check notepad. Oh my gosh, I love that. And tickets. Oh my gosh. Okay. So that's that. And then in this bag, she has, oh cool. She has some of her, oh, look how pretty these are. These crocheted flowers. Oh my gosh. Thank you for sharing that, Irene. This is beautiful. Oh, look at this pretty green one. Oh, I love them. And some yellow flowers. Oh, they're so pretty. Thank you. Oh, I need to crochet some doilies like that and some flowers. Thank you. And then what's in here? Okay. Oh, in this bag, I'm going to say, sorry for the crinkling, I'm so sorry. Look at this beautiful container. Oh my God, I love this. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's more stamps. Look at that. Oh, and the story begins. Oh my gosh, I love that stamp. And then this book belongs to Irene. I have one. I have this. But I need to use mine. But thank you for giving me that. And then this one, Little Moments, Big Memories. Oh my gosh, that is awesome. I'm going to keep these in here. I am going to keep, oh, I can't fit the others because this is such a beautiful container. I love this container. It's going to go on my desk somewhere. And last but not least, oh, these are all kinds of, oh my gosh, look at all this, all these tags. Oh my gosh, there's some big tags. Oh, look at these. Alteration tags. Oh man. I've seen people buy a box of these and I can never find them now, or they're too expensive to purchase. But look at this humongous tag. That looks like a Tim Holtz tag. And there's some recipe cards. Oh my gosh, I love this. Oh my gosh, this is so, oh look at these index cards. That is so cool. And here's some library cards in the pockets. Oh, that is cool. Oh, these are stickers. Oh, my computer. Okay, and then these are library cards and pockets. Oh my gosh, these are so cool. Oh, look at these money envelopes. Oh my gosh. What is this? And these are more tags and an ice cream cone. Oh my god, I love it. Oh my gosh. This is an awesome package of goodies that you can get by purchasing and helping a fellow crafter out. And thank you so much, Irene, for this package. Everyone, I'll have her link down below so you can go and check her. See, look, I'll link her video down below so you can go and help her out. And yeah, she is an awesome crafter. She is moving to Tennessee, I believe. Closer to me, Irene. And oh my gosh, and all this is what she sent me. I am so grateful. This is awesome. And yeah, I'm so glad I was able to help you out. Thank you for the wonderful stamps and everything. Thank you. So everyone have a great weekend. I'll see you in my next video, and I'll make sure I have her link down below, guys, so you can go and help a crafter out. Thanks, everyone. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.